Let me see. Sing Twinkle Twinkle. Yeah. Sing Twinkle Twinkle. Here's she one. You wanna sing E-I-E-I-O?
E-I-O. And Peter.
What's
Star.
Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Sing her ABCs.
And Peter.
Sing ABCs. E-I-E-I-O.
E-I-O.
With the moo moo here. What's a dog say? What's a cat say? What's a pig say? What's a duck say? Quack quack. Uh-oh. Say, what's your name?
Noah.
How old are you?
2.
What's your last name?
Noah.
Say Noah Ramirez.
Noah Ramirez.
Mm-hmm.
Noah.
Did your Nana come see you?
No.
She didn't? Did Mana come see you?
No.
Did Kenzie come see you?
No.
Did Essa come see you?
Yeah.
She did?
Yeah.
When?
Isaiah.
What about Anna?
Anna. What are Anna?
Yeah, what about Ishi? Mishi?
Missy. Huh?
Uh-huh. What about Ida?
Aya.
Mm-hmm.
I'm working.
She's working? Where's Daddy?
She died.
Where is he?
I'm working.
Daddy's working? Is Mommy going to work?
How's that?
It's the air conditioning. Is Mommy going to work?
No.
Yes, Mommy's going to work. We gotta go to work.
How's that one?
Okay, you gonna go to Jeanette's?
No.
Yes. You gonna see Abby?
Yeah.
Okay. I love you.
It's here, Mommy.
Say bye-bye.